Legs.
Dad.
2 legs. Nope, you gotta take it out before you open the wrapper. Let's pull this out. Nope, that doesn't come out.
Oh, there's something in here. Cut it. Wait. No, not yet. We need to cut it. Oh my god, these are hard to cut. I'll try to cut.
Grab that.
What, this?
Mm-hmm.
What's this for?
That's the little drip pot.
Oh yeah, so when the grease comes on it. There's another box on the bottom. And now, could you cut this?
It's already cut. Just take them all up. That one's a bundle. I probably shouldn't have cut that one yet. But I'll have to eventually cut it. Just bring it all out. I'll leave that one in there for now. Take all those bands out.
It's still on.
You can leave those. And then here we got the Traeger, the assembly guide, and the owner's manual, and the heat probes. Yeah, it's pages. It's pretty simple. Owner's manual. Customer service number. Little coupon. There's a little sticker, Traeger sticker. So first step, I opened up the blister pack parts package. Those are pretty much comes with everything you need to install all the parts. It even comes with a screwdriver. So I just installed the side handle I'm going to flip it upside down. And now I'm going to the legs. It's pretty simple. All these legs, they're marked. They have numbers on them. Number 4 there. And this one here, number 3, matched it. Leg number 3. Let's see, 5 and 9. 5. 9. These are the bolts, and it's already all put together. So you're gonna come from the outside. The outside, the legs there, and you put the washer on this end, and the rest of that goes on the inside. So, just like that right there. Take this apart. I have to put this down for this. I need to adjust this so the holes match up. So just like that. The bolt goes in with one washer on the outside, and then the other on the inside. There's 2 washers and then the nut. And I'll go ahead and do that to all 4 legs. Same thing. So instead of using the wrench they gave me, I went ahead and grabbed one of my ratchets with a, this is a size 13mm socket. Just to speed things up a little bit. Works a lot better. Alright, so all 4 of my legs are in and they are tightened. So on to our next step. Step 3, we will be installing the leg braces, which are these here. And each leg brace, you're going to use 4 of these screws. It's got a Phillips head on the end. These braces are identical, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on, but you do want this on the outside of the legs, the emblem. So I'll turn that around, so it's facing the outside. So instead of using the screwdriver that it came with, I'll use a power drill. Make sure to put it on a low setting. I think 11 should be good so it doesn't strip the screws or over tighten. There it is. It looks like on both sides. Emblem is on the outside. And now we just got to get it on its legs for the next step. And you should probably get 2 people to do that. Alright, I got the grill on its legs. Now to the next step. This step, step number 4, will be installing the smokestack and chimney cap assembly, which is this right here. And these are the hardware. Get the regular hex bolt and 2 washers and the hex nut. And you need 2 sets of those. And to install that smokestack assembly, you need to open the grill. Oh, taking a dinner break. Oh yeah. Wifey brought out some hot dogs. Back at it. So in this assembly you need a hex bolt, 2 washers, and a hex nut. 1 washer on the outside and 1 on the inside. And then the chimney cap just screws, it's threaded, so you just screw right on top. Just like that. Step 5. We're gonna attach the front handle. This step, you will need to open the lid up, and the handle, the hex bolt and washer is already in the handle, so you got to remove that. So the washer and the nut, or the bolt, I mean, goes on the inside. I'll go ahead and tighten them up with my ratchet. And for the final step, we're just going to place the interior parts in the bucket, which are right here. Here's the bucket. I believe that's the flame cover, the grill itself, and the drip tray. So this is the bucket, and it's pretty cool. It's got a little Traeger emblem imprinted on there. And the drip bucket goes, it just hangs right there. And the flame cover goes there, it just latches on right there. There's a little right there, and on this side. And the drip tray, I believe, goes like this. Just like that. And we want it to lower down this way, so it catches right here and then goes into the little hole down here. Catches in there and goes into the drip bucket. And then the grill itself. That's a snug fit there. There it is. It is done. Alright, thanks for watching.